والله يا بالله والله عيقها يا ناقتص عايتمس naagta intay qaaday reer tuugada ah naagta tuugada ah waxay aflagaadeynaysaa waa ayoyooyinkay wey naya waxaad leedahay baca green iyo bacaabaa laga soo baxay store lagala soo baxay naya naa dollar store baa ku dhaama adigaagaasa dad baa wax ka sheegaysaa waxaa tahay male waayo waxa weeye my grandmothers and her descendants, their descendants are very important people. They're now right here in the United States. They're rich. They're in Dubai, Saudi Arabia, elsewhere. And they not trust you. Because you told them, got all his children dead. You want to collect the money for a long time, people. And now they know that we are alive and we're here. They will not trust you anymore to send you money. Well known as a Jami' Mahmoud Ali, my father. His father is alive. His grandfather is alive because he died maybe, but his descendants are alive. They know what you are doing, they know. They all over the places. But one is they're handling our cases and purely represent us are even below the dollar store. You below even a dollar store. You understand? You are nobody know you because that's why it's cheap. And then you just sit up. Nobody know you. Nobody trust you. Huh? I'm telling you. Let me explain to you. My father, his mother, is Ina Amir Ali. Abdullah Musa Saeed Harti. Everybody knows she's a Bayur. She haven't. My grandfather never married Shirshore Habarwa women, no. One is you bring man between and you make it this. Nobody know you. People, nobody know you. You're the one who discarded and refused Amir Abdullah. Disarm Amir Abdullah and bring Habarwa. Habarwa means he has no mother. So how can you tell us we have mother? You make Shirshore has no mother. You people, we are not Shirshore. You are bad people. Shirshore. People Shirshore. You are devil to me because what you are doing, we're not the same family. Don't claim on us. I don't even know why we're counting for your name. Rather we choose to be Yahya Abdullah, wallahi billah. Rather be a Shirshore. In my case, my father counts all this name. You telling me that lies? No, you're going to my father, my grandfather's mothers. Do we count the mothers or we count the fathers? You telling me I'm a man. You need to go man, not a woman. Guys, come on. Oh, we heard a Shirshore Habarwa. Habarwa was a man being used by people Shirshore. They went through away Amir Abdullah and they bring Habarwa in. Habarwa was a grey man. Now they counted them Habarwa as their father and they threw away Shirshore Abdullah. The Habarwa is in here. I don't understand who did that. It's ignorant. That's ignorant. I don't even know where he come from, Habarwa man. Now you want us to tell us we are Habarwa. And you try to say they're not Shirshore, they're just the Habarwa man that we brought there. You're a liar, thief. Thief is.